It tells us that two firms with identical constant per unit cost and no capacity constraints produce identical products in the same market and engage in price competition in a one-shot game. It says since there is competition, price will be significantly below the monopoly level in the Nash equilibrium. Well, this is true. Remember, something should look funny here. We have homogeneous products, they're identical, and we're competing with price. Well, we know that that shouldn't be the case. We should be competing with quantity. So what happens when we compete with price and our products are exactly the same? Well, price ends up equaling the per unit cost. Why? Because if my product's exactly the same as this other guy's product and he undercuts my price by 1 penny, he's competing with me in price, well then everybody will go to him. So then I'll respond by undercutting his price by 1 penny, then everybody will come to me. This will happen backwards and forwards until we're setting our price equal to the per unit cost, because we won't go below that, we'll be losing money. That's where it'll end up equaling. So and this isn't a one-shot game, there is a scenario where he says in a two-stage game where the first stage you pick capacity and in the second stage you compete with price, and the answer there is price will be somewhere between the per unit cost and the monopoly level. So remember that. This same idea can help us answer another question. This one just says, since there are only two competitors, price will be significantly above unit cost in the Nash equilibrium. And we know that that's false. We already said that no matter how many competitors there are, as long as there's more than one, as long as there's two, price will be roughly equal to the per unit cost.